Welcome back to the RC Pilot's Log. I'm Rob. This is episode 4 of my Aerotetris CASA C101 Aviojet project. We've made some really good progress, but there's still loads to do, so let's get straight into it. I'm picking up where we left off in the last episode by gluing the fuselage sections in groups of 3. These are the tail sections aft of the EDF location. The same process of gluing, pinning and compressing is used throughout. In between the fuselage sections I have a go at the tail planes and wings, which go together extremely well with little effort. Just a point of order on the wings, you may notice they look a little bit like blockwork, and that's because I've alternated between the left and the right mirrored sections. Each section has 2 holes in it for the spar, and in order to cut the spar, the hot wire must first cut a slot. Alternating between the left and the right mirrored sections means these slots are split between the top and the bottom surfaces and should provide a slightly stronger structure, and I've done the same with all the tail planes. Back to gluing the fuselage, working through the midsections in groups of 3. These slightly more complicated profiles need a lot more pins than the nose and tail in order to align the inner surface of the intakes. Several mugs of tea later, most of the fuselage, the wings and the tail planes are assembled. Now it's time to think about an area that has been on my mind since starting the project, wing mounting. What follows is a visual insight into how I generally work through ideas, Lots of fiddling about, head scratching, moving components around and visualising a finished solution. I'm almost certain that I will make a one-piece wing using the lower profiles of the fuselage to form a centre and join the wings. The four wing spars will meet in the centre and be permanently fixed to each other. After some significant reinforcement, the centre section will mount into the fuselage in a tongue and groove style and be held in place with several fasteners. At least that's how it works in my head. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope you're enjoying the videos. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are enjoying this series, and also check out my Facebook and Instagram accounts on the links in the description. Happy flying!